Hi, Jim. After 14 years of service to Medicare, today we celebrate your birthday and your retirement. Anyway, good luck, Jim, in your future undertakings. Alam ko mayaman ka na kaya hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho. But anyway, I hope life treats you kind and I hope you have all the dreamed of. I'm wishing you joy and happiness and above all this, I'm wishing love. Happy birthday, Jim! Congratulations and I wish you all the best. Mabuhay ka ng matagal pa.
Happy birthday, Dad! Salamat sa support mo sa amin sa CB and sa very helpful mo na OneNote. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo today and I wish you good health and long life. Happy retirement! I'm gonna miss you.
Hi, Daddy Jim. Happy birthday po and happy retirement. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jim. Kalahin mo yun, since 2012 na pumasok ka sa training, kasama ako. Tapos, kaya na magre-retire ka na, kasama mo pa rin ako. So, feeling ko ako talaga yung lucky charm ko. Ayun lang, happy retirement. Alam ko bahay nyo. So, anytime pwede ka puntaan doon. Good luck to your new adventures.
Happy birthday, Daddy Jim. Happy retirement din. Mamimiss ka namin. Pero see you around pa rin. More food na padala. Bye-bye!
Hi, Dad. So here's to celebrating not only another year of your life, but also the beginning of a well-deserved retirement. Happy birthday, Dad, and congratulations on your retirement. I'm gonna miss you and may the best years be ahead of you.
Hello, Jean. Happy birthday and happy retirement day. Bakit kasi magre-retire? Bakit mo kailangan mag-retire? Paka-explain sa akin. Sinong nagsabi mag-retire ka? Charot. Kidding aside, I wish you all the best. Showbiz. Pero totoo yan. I wish you all the best. Wala akong masyadong mahabang message sa'yo kasi Friday group naman tayo. We've been friends for 10 years and I know magiging friends pa tayo habang buhay pa tayo. Pero all the best talaga sa'yo, lahat ng mabuting bagay, tinagalog ko lang, di ba? Pero see you around. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Daddy Jim, happy birthday and happy retirement day. Grabe, sobrang mamimiss ka namin. Ako personally, sana magkita pa rin tayo but we'll really miss the fun sa station na nandun ka. Okay? Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Daddy, happy birthday and I'm really happy na nagkakilala tayo kahit saglit lang. Ikaw yung original Big Brother ng team natin and we are so lucky to have you and happy retirement din at the same time and good luck sa bagong mong journey and enjoy. Always keep in your mind na we love you and God bless you, Daddy. You're so kind and happy ako na naging part ako ng team ninyo. Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Jim, and happy retirement day. Always stay healthy and good luck to your next journey. Enjoy your life to the fullest and congrats!